This is math lesson part 2 for June 1st, 2020. Please turn to page 365. Steve makes a banner with an area of 8 square feet. On the grid, draw all the possible rectangles with an area of 8 square feet and sides whose lengths are whole feet. That means you can't cut off half of a square or half of a square. Label the lengths of 2 adjacent sides. Adjacent means they come together at the corner, so this side and this side. Label each rectangle with its perimeter. So don't start in the middle or you will run out of places to draw all of your rectangles. Remember, a square is also a rectangle. So start in the corner somewhere and work your way over. Compare the perimeters of the banners. What do you notice about their shapes? For example, does a longer perimeter have a different shape than a shorter perimeter? When you draw the area, when you're just looking at area, you're going to get different perimeters. Zach uses 64 inches of wood to build a rectangular picture frame. The length of one side is 25 inches. What is the length of the other side? So you'll want to, on scratch paper or anywhere you have room, draw a rectangle. One side is 25 inches. Now, you need to know, are you trying to find the perimeter, the rim around the edge of the picture frame if you're doing side lengths? Or are you finding the area? Or are you finding the side lengths? What are you finding here? When you draw your rectangle and label one side 25, what do you know about the other side for sure? Those two numbers will give you some information that you need in order to find the adjacent side length. Haley's patio is 9 feet long. If the area of the patio is 90 square feet, how wide is the patio? Again, you'll want to draw a rectangle. They gave you the area, they gave you the length, but how wide is it? Turn the page. Draw a line. This is dot to dot. It's matching. Draw a line from the figure to the area of the figure. Is the area of this 13 square units? Boom, draw a line. Or 14 or 15. Ricky cuts 2 decagons out of cardboard. If you forget what a decagon is, you'll have to look in the glossary. Deca means a certain number, which I tried to give you a memory trick for that in one of your math lessons. Then he glues yarn around the edges. How much yarn does Ricky use if each edge is 8 centimeters? Write the number of centimeters. Select all the figures that are quadrilaterals and just color in the dots. The answers from the teacher's book for your parents tonight so they can check your work. Tomorrow is the Unit 6 math test for our last day of school. Your only other assignment for today is your Lazy Harry opinion. I've unlocked all of the Lazy Harry opinion stages. You can finish the whole thing and turn it in.